Welcome aboard day one of the Icon of the Seas by Royal Caribbean. This ship is not just big, it's magnificent. I am literally buzzing with excitement as I take in all the sights, the sounds, and the amazing adventures ahead. And you guessed it, I'm especially thrilled about checking out which slots the casino has to offer. First up on my slot adventure is a game I've never tried before, Prost. Now, I thought that this was going to be a twist on the classic Heidi's Beer House, but it turns out it's an entirely different slot machine. So the big question is, will my cruise kick off with a jackpot win on Prost, or is luck making me wait a bit longer on my voyage? Will I be as lucky as I was on my last cruise? Let's find out.
Okay, it's time for a little Prost. Let's see what we can do here. I've got $500 of free play loaded up. We're gonna go $18.75. Oh, my mistake. I thought it was $12.50 a spin. It's not. $18.75 is where we're at. Okay, a little action there. $22. Okay, so we need 5 of those gold coins, plus our lovely lady here. Quiet game here, my friends, quiet game. Oh, we needed him. Well, we still got it. $24. Come on, line it up. Come on, 2 more. Oh, $50. Hey, $60. Nice. Okay, so we've got to get that lady in the last reel there with our gold coins to collect those amounts. At least that's my understanding. Oh my gosh. Woohoo! I think we needed maybe some higher paying symbols. $75. Oh. We didn't get to collect because we needed that lady in that reel. Okay, 9s, 5 of a kind. Okay, don't stop now. We were getting some nice kick back there. Ooh, lock it in. You can do it. Come on. Oh, check out this amount. Holy smokes. We were close to some big bucks there. Please come back around. Big coin amount. All right, mini's $50. You can do it. Let's lock it in. Oh. Jeez. 5 cents eating us alive here. Yes, come on, do it, do it. Okay, lucky 500. Let's go. We gotta at least see this bonus. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. 40 bucks. A little bigger on the amounts. Oh. Not sure if there is a haywire feature in this
Good
one.
evening, ladies and gentlemen. We have another jackpot, just won $1,700 plus.
Woohoo.
Once again, congratulations and
Hope that's going to be us soon. Oh, come on, lock it in. Oh, yay. Aristocrat. You're doing me wrong here. Hello. Can we do it? Come on, let's do it. Where are coins? Coins. Boo. This time with a big number, big numbers. More coins. All right. We are in, my friends. Air high fives for the big Jackpot Beauty vibes. 120. And, okay. I was questioning there. Was there a feature coming? Yay! Let's see what this game has to offer. So 7 free games, 3 or more of the 2 clinking beer symbols together awards, plus 1 free game. So let's see what we can do here. It's got to go on the numbers, on the circular numbers. Cha-ching! Oh. Oh, yeah! Yes! Plus 1 free game, let's go! Keep adding them on so we can keep collecting that moolah. Come on. Oh. Okay, so we got a multiplier going here. Very nice. We're at 5 of 9. And we got a lot of options that we can land on. Oh, 2 times. On the big one. Go again over here. Or over there. Oh, don't chip us. Yes, another one. Yes. Okay. Oh, plus 1. We're still collecting here. I hope we get a lot in this next one. A lot, yes! Another multi over there. Filled in that corner, but that was our last one. Oh, and a mini, cha-ching! Unlocking a progressive, 740 bucks, 800 bucks. Oh yeah, we're adding up here. So we put a total of $800 in free play in, and we have just entered Profitville. Yeah! And a Jackpot Beauty. Cha-ching! First Jackpot Beauty of the cruise, my friends. Let's hope that there's going to be a whole lot more of that. I'm going to collect my money and I'll be right back. All right, so first Jackpot Beauty of the trip. We've got 213 left. We're gonna see what we can do with it. Can we run it back for another bonus?
Yes.
So we've got to get one lovely lady in the first reel and at least one coin, or one lovely lady in the first reel and the fifth reel.
This time the lucky winner is Ronald on the Prost slot machine, 1200 plus.
Woohoo, 56 bucks.
Ronald, another nice jackpot over there. So ladies and gentlemen, in about 20 minutes, we will be having our snowball raffle. Yeah, this is our lively $100 giveaway.
Oh, one lady in the first reel. We're getting so many coins now, and now we're just missing a lady.
Once again, coming up next, our
All right, my friends, so we're gonna move and groove onto our second machine. I will meet you over there. Who's ready for a little bit of triple supreme extremes? I am, and another jackpot beauty. So let's see what we can do over here. 1760 to spin. Let's hope we don't have to invest much, and we're gonna lock in these bonuses real quick. Okay, so we're looking for 6 of these. Preferably, we'd like there to be jackpots in them, or at least give us an opportunity at these progressive jackpots. Come on, bring your friends. Way. Excuse me. Little bit. Almost our spin back. Now follow that up with a bonus. Oh. All right, well, Triple Supreme wants us to invest, evidently. We're at 338 bucks now. $20, come on, do it. Oh. 10 cents, doing us dirty. Nothing. Maybe we should change these or something. Okay, let's go. Let's get the bonus now. Come on, Panda. Bring the magic. We got 99 bucks left. What a burn. Yes! Down to our last $82. Oh, woo! Air high fives for the big Jackpot beauty vibes. I was sweating that one out, my friends. Come on, candle, candle. Okay, let's lock in the grand. Jackpot, jackpot. Ooh, all right, we got one. Ow. All right, four more, four more. Okay, last spin here. We gotta save it. Give me one. Oh. All right, we're grateful for it. We got some more money back here. Lost in the mini, but not what we were hoping for considering what we invested. All right, $325, we're adding back to our bankroll. $334, let's do some backup spins. Oh, run it back, please, that would be amazing. No, do it! Oh, one away, one away. We need a redemption bonus here, my friends. Yikes. It's eating our moolah here. Until now. Let's go! Let's go! Panda's coming back to play again. We love that. Okay, let's hope this one's gonna be a big one. Big one, big one. Come on, come on. Ow! Where's the jackpot? Where's the jackpot here? Yeah! Come on. Oh. Come on, come on, just one. We gotta save it. Three more. And 2 more. Come on, just one. Yes! 2. Let's go. Let's lock that grand in. We need 2 more, my friends, 2 more. 1 to go. Now, come on. How crazy would that be? Our second Jackpot beauty on the ship, on Icon of the Seas, right here, and it's a grand. Filled them all up. Do it! We got one more spin. All right, we got a minor in there, $500. Cha-ching! Much better than our last bonus. We definitely needed redemption on that one. Cha-ching! All right, just under a Jackpot beauty, my friends. $1,010. If only that first bonus had, given us a little bit more. But hey, we love this. Yeah! We have entered Profitsville. Let's do some backup spins. See if maybe we can trigger these other 2. which once they get down to that down spot, chances are you can lock those in. Come on. All right, let's go 2 more spins here, my friends. Come on, come on, come on. Almost. $1,000. 1,000 is our out. I saw those 2 symbols and I thought, oh, maybe, just maybe. Okay, don't make me look silly for staying, Triple Supreme. Okay, 44 bucks keeps us in the game. Come on, one time here, one time. Run it back, run it back. Now for one more spin, my friends. Okay, we're moving and grooving on to the next machine. Third one, our lucky charm for a big Jackpot Beauty. I'll meet you over there. All right, we have arrived at our third machine. We're playing a little bit of Queen of Olympus Link. 10-cent denom, my friends. We're gonna go 25 bucks a spin. Hey, first spin is a winning spin, 50 bucks. Let's go. Ooh. How many of these do we need? 6? 6 or 8, I can't remember. We're looking for 6, my friends. Or 3 of those bonus symbols. Oh my gosh, we were 1 away. Progressive Party, minor and a mini. Again, 2 spins. Let's lock that minor in. Miner's 150 bucks. Yes! All right, let's go. Air high fives for those big Jackpot Beauty vibes. This one hopefully is going to be the big one. With a 5 times multiplier. Oh, let's go, let's go. Do it. Oh, come on. Woo! Ooh, oh, that's a good one. We'll take that one. Yes! Over here, over here. Oh, so close. Right there, but we're still in the game. Come on, I'm not seeing any orbs over there. Woo! Saved our bacon, we're still in it. Oh. Just one. Okay, all right. All right, 800 bucks. We'll take it, we'll take it. We're grateful for it. We're adding that to our bankroll. We needed that 5 times. That 5 times right there, that was the money, my friends. Let's see if we can run it back, because these were coming up often. Hello. Free spins, free spins. Do it, do it, do it. Whoa, it's right there. Oh, fourth reel. Ooh, yeah. I have a good feeling about this one, my friends. Nice. Let's go. $160. Come on, three. Oh. Wilds are taking care of us. $50 there. $75. Bring your friends. Come on, 6 total. Mini party there, one away. Yeah, I really want to see the free spins. Although I would not mind another hold and spin bonus. All right, my friends, this one I think is playing games with our heart, so we are going to print and sprint. 5 minutes later. We didn't have to move too far. We scooched over to this machine here. We're still gonna give Queen of Olympus Link a try. This one may have better potential. $25 a spin. Let's get those glowing orbs. Or those 3 bonus symbols. Three more. Aw. Nothing to line up. Uh-oh. Come on, do it. Ooh, okay. Some return to player there. Was looking a little scary. $210. Let's go. Not a lot of orb activity though. I think they heard me. They're coming out a little bit more. We're under 1,000 though. Yikes. Eating our bankroll. At least give us a small bonus here. Oh. Come on, Queen of Olympus, turn things around here. You know what I did notice is the other machine had much, much bigger orb numbers. Okay, they're growing a little bit, but we're at $566. We needed that. Thank you, Queen. Thank you, Queen. 145 bucks. We're adding back to our bankroll. Another $85. Oh, don't do this, Seth. Maybe we should have left. Yes! That's what we want to be doing. Hyping us up. We need to be hyped for sure. We're at $481. All right, let's check out the 5-cent denom. Max is $12.50 a spin. So we cut things in half. Wow. Bonus free spins? Last reel. Okay, 25 bucks. All right, I think we're gonna head back to the 10 cents. Hopefully that small little break we gave will build up and give us some moolah back here. 2 more. Yeah, bring the bonus symbols back. Woo, let's go! Oh, we needed a helmet. 1 more. Yikes. Lucky 200. Let's go. All right, here we go. Oh, please. Be the lucky 200 I know you are. Not exactly. Wow. Woo. The teasing on this one is real. 30 bucks. 40 bucks. Moving on up. Can we see a 50? Oh. Oh. Okay. 4 spins. 40 bucks, keeps us in the game. Wow, just 1. This machine's holding out on us. Finally, ay. I hope we get some really big numbers here. Really big numbers, but we're in, my friends. Air high vibes for the big Jackpot Beauty vibes. Let's lock in this 5 times this time. First one. Oh, Oh, yeah. Oh, could we have been a little bigger? But fine, we'll take it. We have another 5 times over here. Let's get a big one right there. How about a progressive? A progressive maybe. Okay, we gotta save it here. Well, let this be a lesson, my friends. When it's the case that you're getting ready to print and sprint, don't second guess yourself and come back to this machine. Take that money and run. But we're adding $500 back to our bankroll. We're gonna do 3 backup spins, and I'm really leaving this time. Unless we get a bonus right now. That was mean. $85. Okay. You can do this. Yes! Let's go! Sweet redemption, please! Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Pick a tile. Okay. Whoa! Girl. Oh, let's go! That was a good pick. Okay, we have to pick again. That doesn't stay. Oh, aces, aces. All right, let's go again. Let's go again. I wonder if there's another wild in here. Orbs, orbs. Oh, we just get it. We just get it. We lock it in. Let's go. 500 bucks. Yeah. 2 times. Load me up here. Give me some more multipliers. Let's go, my friends. Redemption is ours right now. Don't jip me, please. We got this. We got this. Yes. Mini, we're in. Keep going. Oh my God! Over here, over here. Oh. Okay, we gotta save it here, my friends. All right, okay. Cha-ching. 860 plus our 550. Let's go. Thank goodness for that run it back bonus. And that huge wild was amazing. Jackpot beauty. Cha-ching. All right, we're gonna try our luck here. Bring this down to 250. Hopefully it's the case that we don't have to bring it down to 250 and we've got another bonus coming our way. Let's go, my friends. Air high five. We got a minor in here. That's 150 bucks. Another 150 bucks out of our minis. They're 50 bucks each. And our 5 times. Let's get some big money in that 5 times this time. Ow! Let's go. Big, 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 big. Yes! Yes! Another one! Woo! That would be amazing if we can get this other 5 times. Freaking mini! Can we fill up all of these multipliers? Come on. All right. Just one, just one, just one. Ooh. Still, awesome run here, my friends. Just under a Jackpot Beauty at 1,150 bucks, and we didn't even have to go more than one more spin. Very happy that we decided to do those backup spins because we've got another one locked in. Yeah. Let's go. All right, 3 backup spins. 2-way. $110. Wow. Okay, this machine is now exploding. I think we're on a heater here. We're on a heater, my friends. 230 bucks. Check out where we're at right now. Plus our Jackpot Beauty. Oh my gosh. No way. Is it gonna happen again? Last reel. Ooh, I was clenched up for that one. Two spins back to back, one away. We are so close to triggering another one. It's coming, my friends. It's trying so hard. Come on, random number generator. Do the thing, do the thing. All right, we gotta be conscientious of what we're doing here. We're at 1,588. I think 1,300 and we should. Hoping we don't have to run it down that low. It's giving us a lot of duds now. All right, my friends. That is the end of this awesome session. Queen of Olympus Link. This machine went from cold to on a heater, and we did a nice amount of collecting. Our Jackpot Beauty plus $1,313 that we have in the machine success, success. Let me know what you think about this one down below in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. As always, good luck, and I will see you on the next one.
That was a pretty good way to start my cruise, and I cannot wait to share with you day 2, where Mighty Cash Ultra 88 takes over. If you'd like to see just how amazing the Icon of the Seas cruise ship is and what my experience was like, check out my new travel channel, Travel with Ariana. I will link it below in the description. I'm Ariana, your slot bestie, and I will see you all on the next one.